definitely packaged like a bitch, but it's wrapped alright, I guess. Now, because of a slight delay, Aeuroplug did say that they were sending me the splitter for free, so let's see. Now, one thing that always happens to me, doesn't matter if I'm doing mechanical, cosmetic, no matter what sort of work, it's always either windy as shit or it starts to rain. Which today is both. There's no point really. So after all that, the lip they said they would send me, they didn't. So the parts from the M4 can come from somewhere else.